Hi everyone, my name is Deboshi. I am a proud student of PGDM 2024-2026 batch of Asia Pacific Institute of Management, New Delhi. I would like to share how Asia Pacific has been made a transformative effect in my journey. The infrastructure is truly impressive, the campus is well maintained, and the most favorite part of the campus life is my library. The library is a hub of knowledge and it consists of a vast variety of books, latest publication of journals, new articles, etc. The faculty of Asia Pacific Institute of Management are being a part of excellence. They not only provide us guidance, but they also nurture, enlightened with various aspects. They made us realize how to connect books with the real world. They are a constant source of guidance. They try to go beyond and above as well. One of the most impactful aspects of AIM is its placement opportunity. It tries to connect with various aspects throughout different sectors by bringing out several companies, especially in the field of marketing, data analytics, finance, banking, and human resource. One of the most vital or crucial aspect of AIM is its real-time exposure by offering training sessions of personality development, by resume building sessions, etc. AIM also has a great alumni network. They not only connect us, but they also provide us the great knowledge how to connect with the real world by providing us several workshops, seminars, and one-to-one connection and one-to-one sessions as well. Choosing AIM has been the bestest decision of my life. Thank you. Hope to see you all for the next batch at Asia Pacific Institute of Management, where every success makes a brightening story.